In this video, I'll give a basic walkthrough on how I took this photo. First of all, find a backdrop. You can buy them on Amazon, make it yourself, or find something in your house. For this photo, I wanted a dark and elegant tone, so the dark blue and silky texture of my curtains were perfect.
Smart rule number 2.
Second, lighting. All you really need is a window. Cloudy days are actually a bonus because then your light is already soft and smooth. If not though, pulling over your curtains should do the trick. The direction of the light source is also important. It should come from either the top of your photo or the left. Third, you'll want to get some props. You'll probably hear a lot that a photo needs a story. In food photography, props help you build that story. They give the photo that needed context. For instance, a lot of cookie photos will have cooling racks. It tells the viewer these cookies were baked. Not only were they baked, they were freshly baked, even though, you might have just bought them. The most common food props are the ingredients, utensils, and more often than not, a piece of cloth. Arguably the most important part is composition. A triangle is one of the more common ones. When you're doing a triangle though, remember your subject should be the biggest bowl. Put your chopsticks at an angle, kind of perpendicular to the triangle. Then you have your cloth thingy. This is probably the most frustrating part because you can't try too hard without feeling stiff and unnatural. My biggest advice is to just play around with it. Take a photo, and if it doesn't work, play around with it more, and then take another photo, play around with it more, repeat until, you find that photo you like. When you take your photo to Photoshop or whatever app you have, you'll want to crop in some. This gives the illusion that there's a lot of stuff going around and your props are like overflowing out of the frame. Alright, hope that helped. If you did like this video, actually press the like button. It really does help. Maybe consider subscribing if you want to see more food photography tutorials. I have big ambitions for this channel and a lot is coming. A lot of interesting stuff is coming. If there's anything you want to see in future videos, or maybe feedback for this video, leave a comment below and I'll definitely check them out, and they are really appreciated. And I think that's it. Thank you for watching.